Hey there, if you find yourself slapped with an unjust ban in Genshin Impact, fret not. I'm here to walk you through the process of appealing that ban, all from the comfort of your own computer. So, first things first, the quickest route to appealing is shooting an email straight to the Genshin Impact customer support team at genshin-cs@mihoyo.com. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Now, to kick things off, head over to the website of the email service you use, be it Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo Mail. Ensure you're using the email linked to your Genshin Impact account. Next up, compose a new email addressed to genshin-cs@mihoyo.com. In the subject box, type in appeal ban or something similar. Now express why you believe the ban should be lifted. If there's been a slip up on your end, a sincere apology can go a long way. Hit that send button. Following that, the Genshin Impact customer service will review your case and provide guidance on how to proceed to lift the ban. And there you have it. That's the lowdown on how to wave goodbye to a ban in Genshin Impact. If this guide works, it's magic for you. Don't forget to give it a like button and a solid smash. For more Genshin Impact tips and tricks, consider hitting the subscribe button. As always, appreciate you tuning in.